You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words in English that many get wrong, including from French. So how do you say this one? Well, I'd say two main different ways of pronouncing it, even though there's probably even more than that. Homage, homage in British English, so that's no silent H, homage. Now in American English it is often pronounced as homage, homage, with a silent H, because yes, in French indeed, the H is silent, and because this is a French word, it makes sense. Now there's an even more French way of saying it, which is as homage, homage. Yes, in French indeed, it is said as homage, homage. So if you want to make it sound more French, homage. But you can also say it as homage. It is also correct in English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.